Here are the answers for the day 2 warm-up. Balance the single replacement reaction. In question A, both the reactants and products are already given. We have a skeleton equation. We just need to decide what coefficients are needed. We have solid copper combined with silver nitrate, and it's creating silver and copper nitrate. The coppers already match on both sides. There's 1 Ag on both sides, and there's 1 nitrate on both sides. This is already balanced, just leaving ones as all of the coefficients. Question B, complete the single replacement formula and then balance. So this time we have the reactants, but the right side of the equation is totally missing. But we're given the hint it's single replacement. So the iron and the zinc metals will switch positions. The zinc will become the solid. And the iron is going to bond with the sulfate. And that will be aqueous, meaning that iron sulfate dissolves in water. Like question A, this equation is already balanced. There are equal amounts of each atom on the left side as on the right side. Now question C, we have hydrogen gas combined with silver phosphate. Told that this is a single replacement reaction, so the hydrogen and the silver will switch positions. Silver becomes the single element, and it will be solid because silver is a metal, and the hydrogen will bond with the phosphate. Now phosphate has a -3 charge, so it requires 3 hydrogens to pair with 1 of the PO4s. That will be aqueous. Hydrogen phosphate dissolves in water. Now that we've written out the skeleton equation, we can balance. We see right away that we don't have the same amount of hydrogens on both sides of the equation. If we put a 2 right here, that makes 6 H's on the right side, so we would need a 3 here to have 6 H's on the left side. This 2 distributes to the phosphate, indicating that there are 2 phosphates on the right side, so we need to have a 2 here to have 2 phosphates. That 2 multiplies to this subscript of 3 on the silver to tell us we have 6 silver atoms on the left side, so we put a 6 right here to get 6 silvers on the right side. Question D, we have a blank spot that we have to figure out what goes there. So take a look at the products, sodium and some magnesium fluoride. It looks like on the left side it needs to be magnesium. Then balance. There are 2 fluorides on the right side, so we need to have a 2 right here to get our 2 F's on the left side. That also creates 2 NAs, so put a 2 in front of that NA.